Magdi-dip forward lang po kayo. Para ma-stretch ang inyong chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay.
Paulit daw mo.
Bago ka na tayo, sir, 15 seconds po natin hinuhold yung position. Ano? Para mas malengthen talaga natin yung date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay.
Try ko lang. Wala.
Sige po.
Parang wala namang nangyari sa'yo.
Okay. Tapos sir, usually po, ano yung ating muscle dito, ano siya eh, may, pansin niyo pag humahakbang kayo, maikse, ng straight leg ninyo, maikse. Pati